ಹಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಚಾನಲ್. ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನನ್ನ ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಆದರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದನ್ನ ಕೆಲವರು ಮರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನನ್ನ ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ನ ನೋಡಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮದು ತುಂಬ ವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯೂ, ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯೂ, ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯೂ, ಹೀಗೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ನನ್ನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಕ್ಕಳವರೆಗೂ ಅವ್ರ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ನ ಕೇಳೋಣ.
Hi, so today I'm going to talk about the view of the online class. The first day I was very happy that I don't have online class, but my mother was scolding me that you have online class, so please study. And okay, I told to my mother, and the first day I was very excited that I'm attending the online class. But after some time I thought it would be very difficult. But after 1 week it was very easy for me, not difficult. And my favorite subject was art because we can do many activities like some paper boat and like a hat for putting, or some newspaper dog. I made like that many things, okay? And but still I miss going to the school, because in school we can play many games like football, basketball and many more games. And I can share food with my friends and they can give me food. And I do like this in first standard, but right now we are in online class, so we can't share anything or like that. And if you are in school, I can also give some teachers day card, and in teachers and in children's day and Christmas day we can play outside, and we can jump in the trampoline, and we can eat cotton candy, popcorn and share food. And that day I love the most. And sometimes in online class we can't do like this. Sometimes in online class we'll get some breaking voice, or we can't hear them, they can't hear us. If we tell some doubt to ma'am, like ma'am tells India, your voice is breaking, like that. So we can't do much things in online class. We can do many and exciting things in real school if we go. So this was my view about the online class. Thank you.
Hi, I am Antarya from 5th standard. About online classes, we had a very unique experience sitting at home and listening to our teachers. But sometimes teachers used to lose connection, and even I used to lose the network connections, and some breaking voices were also there. About some advantages, if I want to say, is in this pandemic year, it was much better sitting at home and listening to our teacher in phone. But many disadvantages, as I said, I use network connections, the voice were breaking, and the chapters was not very hearable, but also, and this is what I wanted to say about online classes. Thank you.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನಾನು ವಿಧಾತ್ರಿ 6th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕೊರೋನಾದಂತಹ ಮಹಾಮಾರಿ ಎದುರಾದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಈ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್. ಮೊದಲು ನನಗೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಕ್ಯೂರಿಯಾಸಿಟಿ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರುವಾಯಿತು. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅದರ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ನಮಗೆ ಹೊಸ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಅದು ತಿಳಿಸ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಸಮಯ ನಾವು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ಗೆ ಕಳೆದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನರ್ಧ ಸಮಯ ನಾವು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಆಟ ಆಡೋದಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಜೊತೆ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಹೀಗಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಹೀಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಆದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋಷ್ಟು ಶುರುವಾಯಿತು. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಈಗ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನೇ ಒಂದು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಯಾರೂ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲೇನು ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೋ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಮೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಆ ಮೇಲು ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದೇನಂತಂದರೆ, ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸರ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡೆಡ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ನೋಡೋದು. ಇವೆರಡು ನನ್ನ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್.
Hi, I am Swami from 6th grade. I am going to share my experiences and opinion on online classes. My experience about online classes has been different than being present physically in the classroom. In attending online classes, the physical presence and interaction with the teachers and friends are not possible. Most schools have online classes from 8:30 am to 12 pm with very small or no breaks in between each period. Attending online classes have many disadvantages, like we need to be sitting in front of the computer screen for long hours. That creates a lot of strain and stress on the eyes. And we have back pains, neck pain and numbness in legs, and can have a long-term consequences on one's health. Children are meant to move around and be physically active than sitting in one place for such long hours. At home, it is very difficult to concentrate as there may be a lot of disturbance around. We may not maintain the regular routine by waking up at 7 and getting ready to school. Online classes have somehow made us lethargic and not following our regular routine. It is challenging for the teachers as they need to prepare notes and PPTs, and they need to explain to students, and the students of lower standards like LKG and UKG will have difficult in concentrating continuously in front of the laptop. In regular school, we could interact with the teachers regularly, but now we have very limited interaction with teachers. With online classes, we are not able to have our whole year activities like annual day, sports day, children's day, teachers day, etc. Even though due to the pandemic we have got used to the new normal, we have left with no choice but to attend classes online until things return normal. Hoping to return back to school this academic year. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
This is Abhinya from 9th standard. So during this pandemic we didn't have access to go to school, but we had to get adjusted through this online classes. Online classes were not so much as effective as the school, but due to this pandemic we had to get adjusted to it. During this time we had lots of network issues. By the time we get our networks back, teacher had completed her portions, and there were lots of hours of online classes which we used to spend more on mobile itself, and feel not like being in the school. So my wish is to be in the school more than this online classes. Thank you.
Hi all, I'm Hasini and today I'll tell my experience. To start on a positive note, I would say that it has helped me in one way: technology. So if you see, like before I was not that good in presentations, not good in games, but now I learned to digitally make games, I learned to digitally present, and they're really good. I myself am saying this. And one more thing is the negative aspect over here. Now I laid the positive aspect. What I feel is that in online classes there is no like one-to-one interaction, and sometimes the children will get deviated because we're after all humans. When we see something else more attractive, we go for it. And basically like YouTube, when children have YouTube and games and many things, of course they will go for it. So this is one negative aspect. And another negative aspect I want to state is exams. So in exams, the children are not that confident because it's not that interactive as usual, because there's no face-to-face interaction, and they tend to do something which is not supposed to be done: copying. So this is a basic thing which I have experienced, like people telling in schools also. So now even I am having my offline exams, and I feel it's actually good because it prevents all the malpractices in the online education. So this is one point. And another point, one positive point, is that all children will get equal importance. So when you're in a class, there'll be like first benches, last benches, and the teacher has to like reach out to every person individually. But here in one screen, you learn everything. That is one point I can say. So after all, I covered these points, and to think of a larger aspect, I would like to conclude saying that it depends on you. If you are interested in that subject, wherever you may be, you will like it. You will pay interest, and whatever circumstances, you have to face it. This is how life is. So thank you. These are my points.
My name is Artha, and today I am going to share my experience about online classes. Online classes were a very good experience for me, but at the beginning I was very excited. After few days of online classes, I was little upset because I faced many issues. After that comes our online exams. In online exams, I had to have in mind that I have to take care of my network issues and have to concentrate on my online exams. After I finished my online exams, I had to see that if a teacher has got my paper correctly. After that, in offline classes, I will not face any problems like this. I can only concentrate on my exam paper. After that, I also miss my friends and playtime. This was my experience on online classes. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Use mask and use sanitizer. Stay home.
ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಹಾಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.